Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I am so glad you're here. If you love videos like this, skincare, makeup hauls, product reviews, then you are in the right place. And I do hope that you consider subscribing, and if you do not forget to click on that bell so that you're always notified of future uploads. So for this look, the first shade that we're going to start off with is Ginger, and that's going to be our transition shade. The next color I'm going to use is called Credit, and that's a deep dark chocolate brown. So beautiful. I am still loving this Jackie Aina palette. I'm just using both of those colors to go in my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with the part that excites me the most, all the sparkle, and it's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Guilty Party. Okay, you have to be careful with this one. Before you look up, you want to let it dry as much as possible. That is so pretty. Can you see it? Do you love it? So now, because I want a little bit more sparkle, okay, that looks good. I like it. Okay, so then I'm going to add some more of Credit. Oh, oh, so love it. Okay, I'm going to go into my inner corner with this Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in the color Golden Flower Crown. And it looks like that. The color that I usually use, the highlighter that I usually use by Wet n Wild is Precious Petals. And that has been my favorite for so long, but we'll see over time how I feel about this one. I just may like them both equally. This one seems to be more subtle though. Okay, so now I'm going to go underneath both eyes. As you can see, I did this eye before, but I didn't do the shimmer. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna also add some eyeliner right in my waterline. I'm gonna start off with this nude color. And I think I explained this on a video before, but I'll go ahead and do that now. But I like to go with the nude first. What the nude does before you put on a metallic color is this, the nude really enhances this. It allows this metallic color, or whatever metallic color you use, to pop. So that's been my thing lately, and it's been working for me. So anytime I use a metallic in my waterline, I always start off with the nude first. A dark color that won't appear to be the color that it is on camera. This nude really helps. I'm just going to take my finger and kind of smudge it, especially into the brown shade. That is so pretty. Oh, I love doing fall looks. Now for the lips, I'm going to go in with this Revlon lip liner in the color Poppy. And then I'm going to use this Milani lipstick in the color Matte Beauty. I just love this nude shade. It's so pretty. This is one of my go-to lipsticks. I kind of want to use just a little bit of a gloss just to give it a little bit of dewiness, a little bit of wetness to it since this look is kind of wet. Now this is a Wet n Wild lip gloss that I have been loving. It's called Color Icon Lip Gloss. I'm going to give you all the color in the description box. And I'm just going to put this just on my lip. Just to give it a little shine. I like to wear this all by itself or with a nude like this, or it practically goes over any color lipstick and just makes a beautiful shine with a little hint of sparkle. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner because I forgot the eyeliner. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara in the color Brownie Point. I had a little glitch. The camera stopped recording. I've added my mascara, which is the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara in the color Brownie Points. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my highlighter to my cheek. Alright, that's pretty. Ooh, I love it. Oh, I love this look. Now I think that this look is complete. If there's anything that you all think that I left out, please let me know. But I hope you enjoy seeing how I created this beautiful, I don't even know what I'm going to name it, we'll see. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed seeing me create this look. And if you are new and you enjoyed this and all of the shenanigans, please subscribe. And don't forget, if you want to stay connected, you have to click that bell so that you receive all of my notifications on every video I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.